Hello children, in our previous video we have studied about our chapter number 5, that is more on MS Word. In that video we have studied about how to put header and footer in our document and how to find and replace a particular word in a document. Today we'll be continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, more on MS Word. In this, now for today's topic is mail merge. Mail merge, in today's topic we will be using mail merge. As you all know, mail merge is used to set a documents, means we can set our letters, we can type our letters, and with the help of this the same letter can be shared with a number of people. It can be our friends, our relatives, or anyone else. So how to do it? Let's start. So for this also, again, first we have to open MS Word, and then what you will do right now, if you will see on the screen, I've already written a letter. But what you will do when you will open MS Word, you will first go to mailing tab. Here is the mailing tab. You will go to the mailing tab option, and then under the ribbon you will click on Start Mail option. From this you will go to Step-by-Step Mail Wizard. This last option, when you click on it, you will see on the right side of the window a dialog box will come related to MS Mail Merge. Here what you will do, first it is a 6-step process. So first step is, first you have to select what type of document it is, like letter, mails, envelopes, and so many options are there. So here we are just clicking on the letter only because we have to write a letter. Then next is to click on this next button, and then you will see the list has changed here. Now here it will say how do you want to set up your letter. You have to use the current document. You have to start from existing, means so many documents are there. You will select the, like we are using the current document only. Then you will click on this is our document. First you will create the letter. Right now I have already written a letter. The topic of my letter is that write a letter to the friends inviting them on your birthday. So your birthday is coming nearby. So you have to invite your friends. So same letter will go to many friends. The venue is same, the timing is same, your birthday is same. So I've created one letter. If you go through the date whenever we are writing the letter. Dear, I have not mentioned the name because again and again if I mention the name, then there is no use of using the mail merge option. So I have not mentioned the name here. As you know, I've started with my this letter. As you know that on 15th November 2020 is my birthday. You may use your date here. I am organizing a birthday party for all my friends to celebrate the day. The venue for the party is my residence in Dash Colony. You can mention any of the venue wherever you want to celebrate your birthday. And party start at dash PM. You have to mention the time. With cake cutting followed by games, dance, and finally dinner. I will be very pleased if you can join us for the occasion. I am looking forward to your company. Your presence will make the occasion even more cherished for me. Your affectionately, and here you will mention the your name. Now we have created the letter. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to select the recipient list. Now recipient, what is recipient list? In recipient list you will mention the name of your friends to whom you want to invite on your birthday party. So here they will ask again another list, like use an existing list, which means you have already prepared one list, and then type a new list. So right now I am using here use an existing list because I have already created. If you have not created, what you will do, you will click on this type a new list option. Okay, and then you will click on this create button. But now, right now I have used using an existing list. There only I will show you how to do the changes in the list. So when I will do it, it will say write your letter. So I have already written my letter, and then you will see when I have clicked on the use existing list, my list has come in front of me. So I will choose my list, that is I have created with the name friend list. So when I will click on it, this type of mail merge recipient list will appear in front of me. But if you have not used any list, you will click on the type a new list. Same dialog box will appear in front of you. For that, what you have to do, you just have to mention the names of your friends. Okay, so here I have mentioned 3-4 friends name, if you will see. So I can do the editing also. I can do anything whatever I want to request. So I can do here, I have created. Let me show you how to create a list. So suppose if I want to use type a new list. When I will click on type a new list, I'll again click on this write a letter. See, the dialog box has appeared. Now, if you want to write something in this, you may write. If not, then what you can do, you can click on this arrow button and then click on this blank option. No need of writing it. Or if you want to customize these columns, means you want to add your column name or you want to remove these column names. So that also you can do. Like I don't want title here, so I can delete it. So it will be deleted. And now whatever the name I have to choose, I will choose only that things. So see, first name will come. So you may mention any of your friend's name, like I have written Ria. Her last name is suppose Ria Chopra. And then again, I don't want to use company name. I will click on blank option. In this company name, I will click on the blank option. Then I will go to address line. Here I have to mention any address. So I have mentioned 34 ABC Street. And any of your address you may type. Dehradun simply I am writing. And moving ahead by this arrow. So many things are there. So if you want to delete these things, so customize columns is there. Now, if you will see, like I have created the first information of the address list of my friend. In a similar way, I have created the 4 list here. What I will do after this, I will click on OK button. Now they will ask for name. So like I can store it here with the friend list because I've created my friend list here. And then I will click on the save option. Then what you will do, you will just check whether you want to invite all, then you will keep these checkbox tick. अगर आपने किसी को नहीं बुलाना है, then you will put the click on this, the checklist will be deleted. In the same way, you will click on the OK button. Now what you are supposed to do, write a letter. We have already written. Now 4 of the 6 steps we have done. So now our next step is, you will see here at step 4 of 6, next step is preview your letter. So when you will see preview your letter here, they will show you another thing. Next you will click on the complete merge. Now what is the another step? So when you will come here, if you remember your this thing, letter should have the address also. Now we will click on this here, this insert merge line. What we want here, we want address first. So we click on the insert option. Okay, and then we want the another address option also. We'll click on the insert option. And then we want city also. City will be created. And then we want state also. We'll click on the whatever the column names we have used in our recipient list. All those 4 column names will appear in our this thing. Now you will see here it is mentioned. So I'll give a gap here. And then see the editing you have to do in one letter only, and that will be done, that will be applied in your all letters. Again you will click on the insert merge option. Here I have to use only the first name. So when I will use first name and then I'll close. See the word Ria, because we are just using the preview result. Let me close it. Now see, I have used this insert from insert merge field. I have used these recipient list headings, that is address 1, address 2, and then I have used the city. I don't want to use address 2 because I haven't filled anything in address 2. So I'm deleting this address 2 line. Okay, now see here they are just mentioning address line 1, city, state, dates, dear, first name. Now when I will click on this preview result option, see in place of that the address is coming. Okay, and if you address of Ria is coming, and here you will see this Ria is coming. Oh, and from here you can see the number of recipient lists we have created, the address of those and the name of those students are coming. We have created 4, so 4 list is coming. And then we are done with this thing. We will click on this finish and merge, and then our document will get finished and merged also. Now how to do, if you want to print, like edit individual document, if you want to do something editing in one single letter, you can do from here this option in finish and merge, and then from simply we can click on this print document option, and your document will get printed. The same letter will be printed for all. Now if you will see, this is our time saving. We have only written the letters once, and the same letter will be forwarded to the number of recipient we have created. You want to send it as an email, then that also can be done. This entire process is your mail merge, and in this way you can do. If you want to do the page setting here, means you want to highlight something, you want to make your letter more attractive. So from here you may mention page border, any of your choice, what type of page border you want, what type of art you want. Like see, so many different arts are here. Then I have used this one that will be applied on my project letter. If I want to use the color, the different colors will be applied. So see, now it is looking good. And if I want to change the formatting also, so I will go on home, and then from here I will choose any of the formatting style that will be applied. And if you will see, it's not only applied on one single letter. Whatever the changes formatting style I have done will be applied to all. See, again and again I need not to do anything. So this is your mail merge. I hope children it is clear to you. Have a nice day.